open-mouth breathing equals hardcore snoring and acts like a sound amplifier that keeps the whole family awake. So what do hardcore snorers really sound like? If you're not a hardcore snorer, if you don't saw lumber while you slumber, then don't watch this commercial. Instead of her shaking, kicking, and begging you to be quiet, now you can. And warned at night, Be Quiet helps reduce the snore so you can sleep more. Its anti-snore chin strap brings your jaw forward, keeps your mouth closed, and promotes better breathing, turning the noise down so everybody can sleep sound. Will help you experience increased intimacy, promote family harmony, and most importantly, help you develop a healthy lifestyle.